Hi, I'm Sashant and I work on Bito. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick demo of Bito's AI code reviews in CLI. AI code reviews in CLI brings fast, intelligent code reviews directly to your terminal so you can catch issues early before even they reach production. Now, getting started is super easy. You can install AI code reviews in your CLI with just a few commands. I have linked the installation guide from our documentation below in the description. You can follow those steps and you will have it set up in a couple of minutes. I already have it installed here in my terminal, as you can see. Once installed, you can also control how reviews behave using rules. You can define these rules in your cursor rules file or your cloud rules file. For example, I'm using cursor here and I have this cursor rules file for Bito code reviews. And as you can see, I have set it to always apply, just so to be sure. This binary path thing, I have added it on my own. Automatic code review. To review scope changes, if you want uncommitted changes only, this is the command that runs. If you ask for review committed changes only, this command will run, and so on. You can also tap on review modes like essential mode. Here's the command, and this command is used when you ask for a quick review or high severity only, etc. Similarly for comprehensive mode as well. Now these rules, you also get a document of it in our documentation, which I have linked down below. Just follow the steps, install the AI code reviews in CLI, add the review rules file, and you are good to go. Now you can run AI code reviews in CLI via two methods. First, you drop in directly in CLI. For example, I give this command here, Bito review. So it found changes in 11 files. Here are the code review results, the summary, the matrix, high severity issues 6, medium 5, low 2, and total files changed 7. I've also talked about the issues found, the suggestion, and the suggested fix. Same goes here in your agent window as well. So if you ask it to review my changes, it runs this command. And when the review is finished, you get the results right here. A table of high severity issues, medium, low severity, then positives, then some recommendations, and how it also asks you to apply these fixes next. So it is super easy, right? You just have to tap in a few commands to install it in your CLI, the rules in your .rules file, or create a new rules file if you don't have any, and just naturally chat with your agent and run AI code reviews in your CLI. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the Bito team. Thank you.